Hello team. In this session, we will learn to create an installation bill for a particular project to be submitted to the customer. To do that, first we need to select the name of the customer under the Customer tab. Then under the Project tab, we need to select the name of the project for which the installation bill is to be created. Next, under the header fields, we need to click on the chain icon to get the callout order number for the selected project. Here, we need to select the callout order number and click on Next. On clicking on Next, we will get the list of all the BOQ from the selected callout order number. From the list, we need to select the applicable BOQ, for which joint measurement sheet is created and to be proceeded for creation of installation bill. And then click on Append. On appending all the BOQ details for the selected BOQ will get updated on the main screen. Under the LOA quantity we get to know the order quantity. Under Previous Quantity, we will get to know the previously billed quantity. Under QTY we will get to know the bill quantity of the current bill being created. And under the Cumulative Quantity, we will get to know the total quantity of the BOQ that is billed to the customer till date. For the QTY column, which means the current bill quantity, the system will auto-update the quantity as per the quantity confirmed in the joint measurement sheet and the applicable milestone % for the BOQ. The system will pull the applicable erection rate to go from the callout order and apply the same. The system will also apply the GSD as per the SAC code for the selected BOQ. The Charge Details section will show the summarized bill in case of multiple BOQ selected while creating the installation bill. Under the Deduction Details, the system will apply the applicable advance and retention % for the bill and show us the amount to be deducted on the bill as per the agreed terms. Once all the necessary details are updated and the bill is reviewed, we need to click on Save and Exit button to save the installation bill in the ERP system. Thank you for watching this video.